Beko WTL9415151W is a front-loading washing machine that offers a range of features designed to make laundry tasks more efficient and user-friendly. It promises reliable performance, advanced technology, and a variety of washing programs. This review will provide an in-depth look at the Beko WTL94151W, examining its design, performance, features, and overall value. Let's get into it! The Beko WTL94151W features a sleek, modern design with a white finish that easily blends into most laundry room decors. Its compact dimensions make it suitable for homes with limited space. The machine has a sturdy build quality, indicative of Beko's reputation for durable appliances. The front-loading door is large and opens wide, making it easy to load and unload laundry. The control panel is intuitive, featuring a combination of buttons and a rotary dial, along with a digital display that provides clear information about the selected program, remaining time, and other settings. The design is user-friendly, catering to both tech-savvy users and those who prefer straightforward operations. With 9 kilograms load capacity, this model is ideal for medium to large households. This capacity allows for washing larger loads, reducing the frequency of laundry sessions and saving time and energy. The machine is powered by a ProSmart inverter motor, which not only enhances its performance, but also ensures energy efficiency and quieter operation. The motor is designed to adjust the washing action based on the load, resulting in better care for fabrics and reduced wear and tear on the machine. Thanks to the ProSmart inverter motor, this washing machine operates quietly, with noise levels of 55 decibels during washing and 76 decibels during spinning. The Beko WTL94151W offers a wide array of washing programs tailored to different types of fabrics and soiling levels. These include standard programs like cotton, synthetics, and delicates, as well as specialized options such as wool, hand wash, and sportswear. One of the notable features is the Daily Quick program, which can wash a full load in just 28 minutes, making it perfect for those who need clean clothes in a hurry. Additionally, the Express Super Short program can wash a small load in just 14 minutes, offering even more convenience for quick washes. The machine also includes a steam cure function, which uses steam to reduce creases and refresh clothes, making ironing easier and less time-consuming. The Beko WTL94151 is rated B for energy efficiency, which is towards the top of the list. This ensures that the machine doesn't use excessive amounts of energy, reducing electricity bills and its environmental impact. The ProSmart inverter motor contributes significantly to this efficiency by optimizing the washing process and reducing energy consumption. Water consumption is another critical factor, and the Beko WTL94151W performs well in this area. It uses an average of 50 liters of water per cycle, which is relatively low for a machine with a 9-kilo capacity. This efficiency is achieved through features like AquaWave technology, which gently moves clothes in the drum to ensure thorough washing with less water. The Beko WTL94151W is designed with user convenience in mind. The control panel is easy to navigate, and the digital display provides clear information, making it simple to select and customize programs. The machine also features a time delay function, allowing users to schedule washes at their convenience. Maintenance is straightforward, with features like a self-cleaning detergent drawer and a drum clean program that helps keep the machine hygienic and in good working order. The door seal is designed to prevent the buildup of mold and mildew, further enhancing the machine's longevity and ease of maintenance. The Beko WTL94151 offers excellent value for money, combining a range of advanced features, high capacity, and energy efficiency at a competitive price point. Its performance and reliability make it a sound investment for households looking for a robust and versatile washing machine. It may not be the best at anything, but it's difficult to find a better option at this price. I hope you found this review useful. To make sure I can make more content like this, please like and subscribe. Until next time.